How to post on Reddit. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can post on Reddit. Like if you want to post something on Reddit, how you guys can do that. So for that you need to download Reddit app in your mobile phone. If you guys don't have, you guys will simply go to Play Store or App Store in your phone and search for Reddit, and once you search for Reddit you guys will download that APK. Once you download it, simply click on Reddit. After that, you guys will see downside home answer create inbox profile. So for posting, simply click on create. Once we click on create, here we guys will simply click on select community. Here you guys can select specific community, or you guys can select anything like just title our text. And once you do that, also you guys can add pic our video. And once you do that, after that click on post, and once you post, that's it. That's how we can post on Reddit. Thanks for watching.